Goody sis and bro, it's your girl Nay to the Mag live with another freaking video. And today guys, I am bringing you guys this install, a quick install of how you guys can make a closure look like a frontal. I know a lot of the times we want that frontal illusion, but we only have a closure to work with, or we just don't want to have to deal with the work of a frontal. So this is a great way to go ahead and install your closures to whichever way you feel like looks best, whether that's with baby hairs, no baby hairs, but making it look as natural as possible. So if you guys are interested in this video, go ahead and continue to watch till the end. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and comment down below for a chance on winning a post notification shout out. And just know you can always be a sis and you can always be a bro. All you gotta do is subscribe down below. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is the wig I made 2 days ago, literally by hand. It's just a 5x5 closure, as y'all can see, and I put a lot. I put about like 3.5 to 4 bundles in here, so it's pretty full. If you guys would like a detailed tutorial on how I do make my wigs, it has been a minute since I made my wig, so this isn't like the perfect one, hence why I didn't record it. But if you want a tutorial on how I make my wigs, then let me know. Y'all, I did want to show off these two products because I have been using them lately. It is the Oars hair care. This one is the Fix It grip hold, and then this one is the Fix It super hold spray. These two items have been a key staple in my installs lately. One, they smell really good, and two, they work really well. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I use these to apply. Because this is like just like a midday install, like I'm not really wearing this wig for the rest of the day. I'm probably gonna wear it for a little bit, and then later on I have to wash my hair for tomorrow, so I don't want this to be completely glued to my head. So instead of using the Grip It gel, I'm just gonna go ahead and use a super hold spray to spray it down and show you guys how I get that ultimate lay. So let's do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and with my edge booster. This is like one of my favorite products that I found so far. It's like, it smells so good. Like, this is pineapple scent, the yellow one. This is my favorite one. I haven't even tried the other ones, but I know this is my favorite one because it smells so good. Like, and I don't really like pineapple, so it's like, that's how I know it smells good. And I'm going in my lot of body. She got a lot of body. So what I'm kind of doing is just like, I put the edge booster like towards the lace right here of where I want to start my baby hair, and then I'll go over the rest of the actual baby hair with my mousse. So y'all see. This is how everything is looking so far. It's looking pretty good. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some, lay down my real baby hair. And this edge booster, you do not need a lot, okay? Minerals powder, and if anyone wants to know, this is in the color Truffle. So I know I never say that, but it's in the color Truffle 29, and I'm just gonna very lightly press that in. Again, lightly because it's still drying, so I don't want it to be like too overwhelming. Alrighty y'all, so this is obviously my final results with my install. So I did take this 5x5 unit that I did make myself to go ahead and install this on my head. Products that I mainly used were the Aura's Hair Care Grip It Hold Spray as well as the gel, guys. I mainly use the hold spray to lay this unit down, but if you want a more secure lace hold, then I would go ahead and use the gel and then just use the spray as a last minute or end of your process to make it hold really well. Overall, I mean, I love this type of look. I really don't always wear makeup, even though my videos are always with makeup, but this is just like a cool way to go ahead and have that frontal illusion without having to work on the maintenance of a frontal, because it is a lot of work, y'all. Like, having a frontal is no joke, okay? So I feel like this is still cute, it's popping. It really brings out, you know, if you're that baby hair type of person, it brings out those baby hairs, girl, to make it look still presentable, clean, nice. And it really only takes about like 5 to 10 minutes. I think it's pretty good. Come a little closer so y'all can see. And this line you see here, that's like extra baby hair. I don't know what it is here, but I think I did a pretty good job. As you guys can see, it's just a really quick install, really seamless and timeless, that you guys can do in order to spare you guys some time. And I know a lot of times, like, because of, you know, social media and of course of the look you want to get, you know, the frontals are great, but frontals also take a lot of work. So just because you have a closure doesn't mean it has to look like a closure. It can look like a frontal if you look like whatever you want it to look like. And more baby hair than this, less baby hair, you can really just go above and beyond and do whatever you want. So like I said, this is not something I'm wearing for the whole day, so I do have the option to take it off today without you know, having to worry about glue being left over or residue being left over. So it's really, really nice, guys. If you do like this type of video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, okay? Let me know if this is something that you do, if you're gonna try using this method. Just let me know something down in the comment below for a chance to win a post notification shout out. And let me know if I did good, girl, because your girl be, you know, I be thinking it's cute, but if it's not, let me know because I'm not trying to look crazy. So my post notification shout out does go to Myla TV. Her name will be down below, guys. She commented on my Solana wig video. So I just want to thank you so much for watching and showing love, girl. I really support it and I really, really appreciate it. If you guys can obviously show her some love or just let her know, you know, what's up, introduce yourself, then go ahead and do so. But always remember to comment down below so you get a chance to win a post notification shout out. So without further ado, y'all, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.